Okay, so here's a breakdown. So we all know you guys are starting like this, and then when it's ah, you start going up ah, and then the take me on a date. Okay, so the first move is going to the right all the time, right first. Take me on a date, and then you just continuous move that until that verse is over, right? And then buying groceries is when you're doing that, and then buying groceries, you're still kind of moving your hips, but you're putting your hands like this, but don't do the finger thing, do the whole hands, okay? Buying groceries, buying what you need, and then you like buying what you need, and then you're gonna raise up. You got the 9 to 5, like right, the 5 is up there, and then you continue to alternate your hands and legs, all right? And then don't be thinking I'll be home and baking apple pies. I never learned to cook, but I can ride a hook. Then hands up, sing along with me. Sing along with me. So it's almost like 4 times. Sing along with me. Sing along with me. All right? And then this is the part where put your hands together. We realize this may look messy if we don't kind of all do it the same, but the part where you gotta know how to treat me like a lady. Just hold your hands together so it goes smoothly. 1, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, right? So, but a little bit, it goes a little bit faster. So it's, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, and then open up at the lady, and go up your body, lady. Even when I'm acting crazy, the left hand goes on your hip, then crazy, tell me everything's all right. Right there, everything's all right. You start clap, 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 right? Even when I'm acting crazy, tell me everything's all right. Clap, clap, so clap, 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 right? Again, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady. Even when I'm acting crazy, tell me everything's all right. And then right down, arms down. Dear future husband, this is the chorus. If you know, here's a few things you need to know that, and you guys keep on doing for the first part of the chorus. And then the second part is after there's a little pause after the first part of the chorus, and then, dear future husband, if you wanna get that special lovin', tell me I'm beautiful. So tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. And then there's gonna be a pause. Then after every fight, stop at the fight, just apologize, and then maybe I'll let you rock my body right. So just going down like that. And even I was wrong, you get up. You know I'm never wrong. Why disagree? Why disagree? And then we're done.